Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. It's a little chilly out. It's about 30 degrees, 29 degrees outside. Here in the greenhouse, if we look here, it's about 42 degrees, so a little above freezing. It's not too bad. I have flannel on. This week, it's actually snowing outside right now, a little light snow, flurry. But this week we're not doing a lot as far as planting or crops are concerned. The big thing is these lovely ladies behind me here. As you can see, they're pecking, they're scratching, they're digging. They're doing what they do. Earlier today, I gathered all of our hens up and brought them here into the greenhouse. And they're getting acclimated still. You can hear them clucking a little bit in the background, not too much. But they are exploring. Actually, as I look around, I can see different spots where they've already pecked and scratched and have been cleaning up. Also, I have in here a feeder and a water. I don't expect the water to freeze. If it does, I don't expect it to do a hard freeze because it's pretty warm here in the greenhouse. The sun's shining. I'll check them, make sure they got water. But as far as food is concerned, they're going to peck and scratch and do what they do all winter long. The plan is to have them in here until the first week in February and then let them back outside. So over the next 2.5 months or so, they should peck and scratch and keep the dirt, the soil, pretty loose, pretty broken up, if you will. And they're going to keep any weeds from growing because they're not going to have a chance, as well as any rodents or creatures we don't want around is going to be in here. We also have these water bottles here. They are painted black and they work pretty well. For those of you who don't know, this is my son. Come here, Xander. He really likes this video game on the Xbox, and
it's not just on Xbox, on PlayStation.
Apparently, it's say hi, Xander.
Hi.
It's not that warm, cold in here.
Sure name.
So that's about it for this week. Like I said, we got the chickens in here. They're going to stay in here for about 2 months, 2.5 months, and Xander is going to do a good job of playing around with them, it looks like. We also have that leftover lettuce salad mix that was overgrown. We didn't get to real well, but they seem to be loving it. I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but if Xander moves out of the way, that right back there is going to be their roost for the winter. We're not worried too much about eggs. They don't tend to lay eggs in the winter because of the short days and, well, it's relatively cold out. So they do have a safe place to sleep over there, and hopefully their manure and their pecking and scratching will do us a lot of good come February and into March when we prep this for planting. He's comical. So as always, get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you.